look familiar? This is an opportunity for you to tell me what it is that you care for from the station. I've been to South Beach a number of times. I don't know if this is originated in Brazil or not, but they call this foot volleyball. Let me ask, where did this game originate? Was it Brazil? For sure. Yeah, okay. So there's your answer. Unfortunately, I'm wearing my Brazil shirt today. Yeah, it's hot. Okay, I'm going to continue to film for a little bit. Okay, I will. I'm going to wash my feet. So as I wait to wash my feet, the Miami Beach sign in previous videos are down there. And I guess this is the difference. Instead of coming out real early in the morning, although today is not a very busy day, but you can see some of the activity. GoPro stop capture. Okay, my turn. Okay, so I will.
I don't think mine's quite as tall. They kind of pull from the purple and that. Way good.
GoPro stop capture. People making friends, taking pictures. GoPro stop capture.
You want it, right? Yeah. Don't say 𝐔𝐈𝐒.
When I did the video on the 10th Street Diner, they were talking about Scope. So now we see Scope and the International Contemporary Art Show. So if you want to rent a bike, you can rent a bike. So I suspect you have to have the app on your phone. Speaking of Citibank may be one of the credit cards that you may want to have if you have access to it. Wise is another card for international transfers, so you may want to look that up. I'll see if I can provide the link for Wise. Okay, is that sunscreen or mosquito repellent? I'm going to say sunscreen. Okay, yeah. We saw the exercise area a few blocks back. Now we see a smaller exercise area, so you have plenty of spaces to get your exercise on. Well, here's another someone relaxing. That's the dog. Okay, they have soft or sponge platforms. So you don't have to be an expert to rollerblade. Okay. GoPro stop capturing. People lining up to get down memento of being at South Beach. South Beach was considered one of the top tourist destinations in the United States. So if I worked for the Chamber of Commerce, which I do not, I would say come to South Beach, make memories. I'm feeling ambitious. I'm gonna walk to the port, to the point, and see if I can catch cruise ships leaving. Typically they leave from 2 to 4 p.m., maybe 6. So I will spend some time there. GoPro stop capture.